Here's a fun fact. The human head weighs about 5 kilograms. That's the same as a bowling ball. But when you tilt your head forward just 30 degrees to look at your phone, that weight feels more like 18 kilograms on your neck. Imagine carrying a toddler around your neck all day. No wonder so many people struggle with neck and shoulder pain. Today, we'll uncover the real causes of neck and shoulder pain, the hidden everyday habits that make it worse, and the best ways to prevent and fix it. Stick around until the end, because I'll also share simple tips you can do anywhere. The real causes of neck and shoulder pain. Most people think neck and shoulder pain is just bad luck, or maybe because they slept wrong. But the truth is, there are several common causes. 1. Poor posture. When we slouch, round our shoulders, or look down at screens for hours, we put extra strain on the muscles and joints. Over time, this leads to stiffness and pain. 2. Stress and tension. Ever notice your shoulders creeping up towards your ears when you're stressed? Stress makes our muscles tighten, especially in the neck and shoulders, which can cause chronic discomfort. 3. Sedentary lifestyle. Sitting for long hours without moving reduces blood flow and makes muscles weak and tight. This imbalance leads to pain and fatigue. 4. Sleeping habits. Using too many pillows, sleeping on your stomach, or having an unsupportive mattress can twist your neck unnaturally during the night. 5. Carrying heavy bags. Whether it's a shoulder bag or backpack, carrying weight unevenly strains one side of the body, leading to pain and muscle imbalances. 6. Underlying issues. In some cases, conditions like arthritis, pinched nerves, or herniated discs can also contribute. But for most people, lifestyle habits are the main culprit. How to prevent neck and shoulder pain. The good news is that small, consistent changes can prevent and even reverse neck and shoulder pain. Here are key prevention tips. Fix your posture. Keep your screen at eye level, shoulders relaxed, and back straight. Think about stacking your ears, shoulders, and hips in one line. Set movement breaks. Every 30 to 60 minutes, stand up, stretch, or simply roll your shoulders back. Movement is medicine. Adjust your workspace. If you work at a desk, invest in an ergonomic chair and position your monitor correctly. Mind your sleep. Use one supportive pillow, avoid sleeping on your stomach, and keep your neck aligned with your spine. Long-term care and lifestyle tips. Stay active with exercises like yoga, swimming, or Pilates to keep muscles flexible. Stay hydrated. Dehydration makes muscles stiff. Get regular massages or use a foam roller to release tight muscles. Limit screen time before bed to avoid sleeping with tense shoulders. Remember, the key is consistency. A few minutes each day makes a big difference over time. So, the real cause of neck and shoulder pain isn't just one thing. It's a mix of posture, stress, lifestyle, and habits. The good news is, you don't have to live with it. With the right awareness, daily stretches, and mindful breaks, you can prevent pain and feel better every single day. Your body is designed to move, so give it the care it deserves. Stay healthy, stay mindful, and I'll see you in the next video.